Hot dogs are one of the most beloved foods worldwide, but their creation is an intricate process. Today, we'll take you on an exciting journey behind the scenes of a hot dog factory, where we'll reveal the fascinating process of turning meat trimmings into the mouth-watering hot dogs we all love. The journey begins with meat trimmings, which are left over after premium cuts have been separated. These trimmings are carefully collected to ensure the best hot dog product. The meat trimmings are minced and mixed with a blend of spices, including salt, pepper, garlic, and secret ingredients that give hot dogs their signature flavor. These spices are carefully chosen to impart a delectable flavor profile that is synonymous with hot dogs. To maintain the perfect texture and juiciness, water is added to the meat mixture, creating a smooth and consistent blend. Water plays a crucial role in hot dog preparation. It is added to the meat mixture to achieve the desired texture and juiciness. After the meat and spices are thoroughly mixed, the emulsification process takes place. This process involves blending the meat mixture into a smooth and cohesive paste, which creates a consistent texture in every hot dog. The hot dog mixture is then fed into stuffing machines that fill cellulose casings. These casings are edible and provide the classic hot dog shape. After being stuffed into casings, the hot dogs move through a cooking chamber. Here they undergo several cooking zones, ensuring they are thoroughly cooked while retaining their juiciness and delicious flavor. Once the cooking and smoking processes are complete, the hot dogs are removed from the chambers and placed on bars. At this stage, the sausages have reached the perfect level of doneness, ensuring a consistent taste and texture. Then they are sprayed with salty water to chill them down in preparation for packaging. The cooled hot dogs have their cellulose casings removed and they're ready for packaging. They're packaged in a variety of sizes and configurations, from family packs to single servings, ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. And there you have it. From meat trimmings to the perfect blend of spices, emulsification, cooking and cooling, each step ensures the delicious taste of hot dogs. Hot dogs have become an iconic and cherished part of our culinary landscape. As you enjoy this classic treat at picnics, sports games and family gatherings, remember the meticulous craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating these delectable sausages. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.